Parasite, meaning pronunciation, syt. A parasite is an organism that lives in or on another organism host and gets its food from it. Parasites harm the host by taking its nutrients without giving anything back. Simple meaning: parasite equals an organism that benefits at the expense of another. Common uses. 1. Parasite noun: an organism that lives on or inside a host and harms it. Example: a mosquito is a parasite because it feeds on human blood. 2. Parasite figurative: a person who depends on others for support or benefits without giving anything back. Example: he's just a parasite, taking advantage of everyone. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. A tapeworm is a type of parasite that lives in the intestines. 2. The parasite can make the host sick. 3. She is a parasite, always borrowing money without paying back. 4. Farmers need to be careful of parasites that harm crops. 5. Malaria is caused by a parasite that spreads through mosquito bites. Real-life explanation. In nature, parasites like worms or fleas live off other animals or plants, often making them weak or sick. Figuratively, a parasite can also describe someone who uses others for their own benefit, without giving anything in return.